So sitting next to me here, I have another financial mistake. Probably a mistake, yeah. I was cruising Facebook the other day and I saw for sale a car. It was posted for $1,000. The guy said it had a little bit of an issue in the rear end. You know, I'll just show you it. I got a BMW. It's an E36 320i. It's got the M50 B20, so it's a 2-liter inline 6. The rear diff is welded already, and that is probably what caused the issue that we have down here, which is the, I don't know if you can see that, it's a little dark in there. The trailing arm has ripped completely out of the frame. I've already started disassembling it a little bit. This thing here, somebody has tried to repair the bushing with silicone. That didn't work, obviously. And then we've got the actual mount for the trailing arm here. Those inserts are supposed to be in the frame, which they are not, obviously. And this last one here is still in the frame, but it's only got half a bolt in it because that one snapped off when these ones came out. So we got a little bit of repairing here to do, but other than that, this car is pretty good. It runs good. It needs a little bit of sealing. It's got some weird ass exhaust on it. It sounds alright. It's a little loud. I might put a different muffler on it. But yeah. So I bought a drift car. That's the plan with this thing, is to go drifting. But first I need to get it running and driving properly. So I think I'm going to start today on fixing that rear trailing arm. And that should be all it needs to get on the road. It's registered already, so it's insurable. It is drivable, but not safely yet. So let's get to doing that. So this is the main reason this car was so cheap. These holes here are supposed to be inserts with bolts going into them, which have torn out. If I can find the bracket for it, I don't know where I put that. So this is the attached bracket for the trailing arm. This goes up here. These bolts are supposed to go in here, but obviously they no longer have anything to go into. So what I'm gonna do, you can see I've already taken off all the paint and the sealant that was on here. So since these inserts are completely ripped out, I'm not gonna try and just reinforce the thing, obviously. So I'm gonna grind these holes out to a little bit of a smoother shape so they don't crack. And then once I do that, I can make a plate. I'll make a template that fits over this. And weld some nuts to the plate that just sit in the right spot. And then I can weld that plate up here, put this thing back in place, and it should be good. That one there, the bolt has actually snapped off in the insert right there. So I have to fix that too. So I've just made a template here that fits in the pocket for the trailing arm. That's what it is, trailing arm. And now I'm gonna just plasma cut that out on a piece of steel. And then we can weld it into the car.
You know, I'm trying to get this thing out of here.
how you use a hammer, right?
Yeah, you know, Carl's using his hammer correctly.
Car ramrod.
Engage car ramrod. Oh yeah, oh.
Light.
Camera.
Wrench.
I don't know.
Action.
Can he find a wrench in time?
Is it a 19? And yes. Wait.
Oh yeah, let all that focusing happen. Focus. Come on, Carl.
17?
That looks like it's
14.
probably 9/16.
Half inch.
I'm gonna guess 9/16 because it's a standard drill and stuff.
If you're right. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but you're right.
That would also be similar to that of a 14 mil.
No, that's twisting.
Twisting or unscrewing?
She's kind of digging into the bolt.
Well, this is awkward. Carl can catch some slurp with his mouth. Yep.
Nada. She's a no-go. Well, I guess we can try and drill the rest of it out and tap it.
Yeah.
Easy outs have been futile on said bolt. So now we've got a ground clamp here for the plasma cutter. We're just gonna cut that thing right out, and then we can use the plate that we've made and put a nut on that one as well.
Flippy wizard there.
There's now 3 gaping holes in my frame. Now I gotta figure out how we're gonna get the nuts in place on the plate in the right spot. Weld those to the plate, weld the plate in here, and then put all the stuff back together. So we got the plate all fitted up in there. It fits good in the car now. So now I've just put the bracket in there for the trailing arm. And now I've got the nuts on here. I'm gonna weld the nuts onto here and then weld this into the car.
Okay, we got this thing in here. Carl's tacking her up finally. Back one up.
Oh, I see fire. Looks mint. Got some fast silver paint on there to stop the rust.
Extra horsepower.
Also open up the hole a little bit. Now we're just gonna put it all back together and go for some skids. Toy.
We got this on a half 13 car.
I'm gonna have to rip all this wiring out of here.
What wiring, Carl? What wiring are we talking about here?
Oh, you know, nothing. Just all of this stereo crap. Some of it's not even attached. There's this. Freaking more power cables, RCAs. Some power cables not going anywhere.
Some Audi stuff. Some BMW stuff.
Speakers, a brake, e-brake.
Or e-brake. Okay, that's important. ABS module.
Yep, that's it.
Yeah, right. That guy right there. Yeah, yeah. You see that one? Yeah. That one's important.
But you know what's cool?
Oh, it's got a little tool
BMW
shelf.
toolkit.
Look at this cute little
Got your
shelf.
tow hook, you got a little wrench here, some pliers. You got whatever this is.
Little screwdriver thing.
No, it's
Little
not.
handle.
It's a handle for something. Oh, probably for the jacket that I don't have.
Well, would you look at that?
Anyways, let's go for a drive.
Let's go do some skids here, eh, Chief?
And the fake M3 wing is actually an Acura wing.